Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link will be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. Take advantage of the fast and free shipping, and they'll ship this to you in no time. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. Keep on moving. It is the weekend, so check these guys out once you have time. You guys will not be disappointed at all. Oh boy, here we go. It's coming from OneOdio A30, 26 decibels, noise canceling headphones. Ooh, these look nice. Noise canceling, Bluetooth 5.0, foldable, airplane adapter. Huh. Wired plus wireless. Alright, look at that. Looks a lot better than those Beats. Yeah, it's hard to definitely test these out on here, but I'll put them on and try them on and do sound. I'll just listen to it because it's hard to hear through this. This is what it contains. You get the headphones, a pouch, charging cables, airplane adapter. Here's the good stuff right here to the left. Charging time is about 2.5 hours. Battery capacity, it is Bluetooth, so all I gotta do is go in your Bluetooth settings and it'll pop up A30. OneOdio A30 will pop up. So it's simple, easy peasy stuff to set up. Holidays are coming, so you want to grab one for yourself, or maybe your trainer, gym partner, friend, you know, your workout buddy. So there's all the good stuff. We get the audio. There's an airplane adapter. That's interesting. Audio jack and USB to charge it. So we're going to see the nice case right here. OneOdio. Oh, fancy dancy. Oh, these are super soft. Look at that. Bam. Rotating. Got the logo right there. Right there. Here's the inside. That what they'll look like. Oops. That's right. Top of the head feels good. That's good sound. Oh yeah. Flexible. OneOdio. I didn't realize it has a name on top there too. Cool. I like these. Let me put these on for a sec. Oh yeah, these definitely feel good around the ear. Side controls right here. Power. There we go. And like I said, it's going to pop up 8:30 on your Bluetooth settings, and then connect it, and then boom, you got your music going. So definitely check these guys out. Great stuff they have also. So if you got some free time, see what other goodies they have to offer besides this one. But definitely this is a good one for the price. Nothing bad to say about it at all. Good charge time, 2.5 hours is really good, especially these days. Bluetooth, super comfy around the ears, and then around the dome piece, and flexible. So I mean, can't ask for anything better than that. See, swivel, got the swivel action. If I can fold these right, I'll be all right. All right. Here we go. You can fold it. There you go. These would be nice ones to go to the gym with, work out, take a run around the block with the dog, you know. You're all set. Do some disc golfing. You can answer your phone calls with this. So, There you go, OneOdio. Check them out, YouTubers. You guys be safe. Have a good weekend, and I'll see you soon.